Good afternoon. Focusify is dedicated to revolutionizing how individuals overcome procrastination and achieve peak productivity. Our innovative tools and resources are designed to empower students, professionals, and creatives to accomplish more. So next slide, please. So this is our business overview, which encompasses all of the things here in our presentation. Next slide, please.
So for our LBMC, first problem, procrastination, productivity loss, stress, and performance impact. Next is solution, user-friendly platform, time management, productivity tools, and personalized support. Next is key metrics, engagement, task completion, retention, and feedback. After that is unique value propositions, customized tools and techniques based on user-specific challenges. Next is unfair advantages, partnership exclusive resources and competitive edge. Next is channel, digital marketing and user referrals. After that, customer segments, procrastinators, student, and professionals. And for our cost structure is development and maintenance. And for the last one is revenue stream, premium model and subscription services.
So our problem, procrastination affects millions, leading to missed deadlines, increased stress, and hindered personal and academic growth. So our solution is in the next slide. Focusify offers a suite of productivity enhancing tools and personalized support to help their users combat procrastination and maximize their focus by providing tailored strategies and resources to our users. Next slide.
Our mission is to empower individuals with the innovative tools and supportive resources to combat procrastination and achieve their academic goals. By fostering a community of motivated learners, we aim to equip students with the skills they need to excel academically and transform their educational experiences. Next slide, please. Focusify stand out by offering a holistic approach to overcome procrastination, with products that seamlessly integrate into daily routines and provide personalized solutions. Its community and coaching services offer a unique support and accountability, setting it apart from other competitors.
So for our marketing and sales and plan, how our customers will learn about us. First is digital marketing. Second is content marketing. Third is partnership. And the last one is SEO. Next slide is how we'll encourage them to tell others about us. First, we have our referral programs. Second, user-generated content. And the last one is community building.
For our strategies on how we'll get our product or services to our customers is first is through online platforms, second is through corporate and educational partnerships, and last is subscription services. Next slide. For the marketing and sales plan on how we'll get paid, first is in-app purchases, next is tiered pricing, and last is subscriptions. Will be profitable through scalable business model, which is we provide low marginal costs for digital products and services, diverse revenue streams, and efficient operations.
For our key objectives and success metrics, by the end of our first year, our objective is to achieve 10,000 monthly active users. At the end of the second year, we aim to establish partnership with 50 educational institutions. Our third year goal is to reach $1 million in annual revenue through subscriptions and sales. By the end of our fourth year, we strive to maintain 90% customer satisfaction rate. Next slide. Now let me walk through you to our financial plan. For our initial equity funding stage, it will come from our investors who will lend us a venture capital to start up our project. Also, the co-owners will contribute to our funding to increase equity along with our initial partners. Next slide. To start, our funds will be allotted in two different branches. First is product development, and second is in marketing and customer acquisition. For the product development, we will hire software developers and UX or UI designers to enhance features and improve user experience. And for marketing and customer acquisition, we will invest in digital marketing campaigns, influencer partnerships, and promotional activities to attract and retain our users. Next. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening.